good morning. Ito na kami ngayon sa airport. Tingnan nyo. Andito lang kami sa labas pero hindi ako pwedeng magtagal. Napaka-stricto nila pero okay na rin. Kahit pa paano, makaka-uwi si Kevin. Look at those people. Ito ang kalagayan ng airport ngayon, guys. Hihintay yung driver. To give you money. You need to eat out inside later. Oh, okay. You see, because 11 PM is very early to this time. It's too early.
Oh, well, I thought, you know, when I come out of the airport and met you and Andrew Rest.
Yeah.
That's where I thought I was going to be dropped off again.
No.
And that's why I thought we could walk around and have something to eat.
Only passenger, babe. Only passenger can go inside. Oh, ang aga-aga ni Kevin. Tigas kasi ng ulo. Magbo-boring. What time now? It's only 9:30. And then your flight is 11. Oh my God. I told you there is no traffic. You see? It's almost half hour running from Tatalon to airport. Half hour only because there is no traffic.
Might as well go in then, babe. Might as well just get in.
Huh?
Might as well just go in. You already got to go. Babe, you got to go. Go on, you got to go, babe.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Go on, I'll go inside when you've gone. I'll watch you go.
I want you to go inside.
Go on, you got to go, babe. Go on, get in the car.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Okay?
Do you have an internet, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'll call you in a minute.
Okay.
I'll go inside and I'll call you. Okay?
We need to eat first.
I'm all right, don't worry.
Okay. Bye.